Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm actually like really excited but nervous at the same time because I can't remember the last time I did my makeup in 5 minutes. I think I usually do it in like 10 minutes, like when I'm driving to work. Like I don't drive and do my makeup, my husband drives and I do my makeup in the car. But I think it usually takes me like 10 minutes, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm really excited. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'd love to have you in the family. And thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. I post new videos every Monday night, so I'll see you here every Monday, and let's get started. By the way, if the sound sounds kind of echoey, I'm filming in a newish room. It sounds a little bit echoey, but it's okay because you can at least hear me. Anyway, before we get started, I kind of just want to talk to you about like what bag I use. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I use a ZUCA bag. This is just like the bag that I use for like my makeup artist kit. So it has a plastic clear lid, and then the inside of it is also like the same material. So it's just really easy to wipe down if you have like spills. I can store all my makeup in it, and I can just like access everything really easily because I can see everything. So what I recommend is just to put like your most used favorite / everyday makeup in the bag, especially if you're like always in a hurry like me. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna take the timer starting right now. Okay, it's gonna ring as soon as it hits 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. This is like so nerve-wracking. Okay, and I recommend having like some baby wipes out. I don't really like to get my makeup like too messy, so I always have like baby wipes with me so that I can clean things as I go. I'm gonna start off with my foundation. I'm using the Tarte shade. No, it's not Tarte. It's Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I will put below the shade that I use. I think it's like light beige. I haven't really tanned this summer, so I swear I'm getting like lighter and lighter every year. So hopefully next year I will tan a little bit, and you know, I'll go back to those more bronzy foundation colors. I feel like this one's still pretty bronzy, and I still like to give myself a little bit of a tan with my bronzer. We'll see how it goes today since I'm doing this in 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. I'm so funny because like you would think that 5 minutes is like a pretty good amount of time, but when you think of all the steps, like it's really not a very long time. Okay, it's gonna have to be like this. Alright, and I'm just gonna put some concealer on. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this in as quick as I can. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna try to avoid my eyelids just because then I'll get like tons of creasing in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get on the inner eye area. It's gonna be so interesting. How much time do I have left? 3.5 minutes, okay. I've been doing my foundation for like a minute and a half. And again, foundation is like one of the most important parts of makeup. Would you agree with me? Well, I guess it depends on your skin needs, right? Your makeup needs. Okay, I'm like really trying to blend this in. Okay, while I do that, while I kind of let this sit for a little bit, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this Pixie eye pencil, which I really like. Just put this on my eyelids. And then I'm gonna like kind of blend it in with my finger. Another reason why I recommend having baby wipes is because you're gonna use your fingers a lot when you're like in a hurry. Sometimes you just don't have time to like grab onto brushes, so just kind of use your fingers. Do the best you can. Oh my goodness, this is not blended in. Ah! Okay, how much do I have left? We have 2 minutes. Okay, that's a pretty good amount of time. 2 minutes. We're just blending this in a little bit. Don't think I'll have time to do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do some brow gel right now with the Anastasia brow gel. It's better than nothing, right? Oh my goodness. Definitely need to like kind of smooth in this area here. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna do mascara. Mascara is like one of the most important parts for me. I usually like to do like pretty heavy mascara, but I don't know if I'll have time for that today. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, how much do we have left? We have 1 minute. Okay, we have to bronze up the skin a little bit. Do a little sun here. I'm gonna use Max Give Me Sun. We're gonna bronze up as quick as we can without looking too overboard, which I think it's already kind of looking overboard. I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. We have Exposed by Tarte. A little bit of highlight. We have the Anastasia highlighter by Amrezy. A little bit of lip. And we have 30 seconds left. Okay, let's clean up the areas where we got like some foundation in. I'm gonna put a little bit more mascara in. And I think that's it. Okay, that's everything. Would definitely like to have done my eyebrows a little bit more like, you know, intense, but it's pretty good. It's enough to get by. So timer is done, and why did I press repeat? Okay, so I did just kind of go back in and fix my lip a little bit because it was looking a little funky over here. But I mean, honestly, what, it takes like 10 seconds to fix it. So I feel like it's pretty fair for a 5-minute makeup look. I do really like how it turned out. Honestly, this is like the same thing that I do every single day for work. It's super simple. It usually takes me like 10 minutes though because I'll be like talking while I do it, just like taking my sweet time, but you can definitely do it in 5 minutes. I feel like sometimes it just takes like practice and just like using the right tools. For example, I do feel like a brush like this, where is it? For example, like I do feel like a brush like this definitely helps like to blend in the foundation a little bit quicker, like just to put it on the skin, and then just like the beauty blender, just like quickly like evening things out. So there's definitely some tools that make the makeup application a little bit easier to go on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this 5-minute makeup challenge. Please subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy it, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. Post new videos every Monday night, and please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.